Hi guys, in today's video I wanted to show you one of the most important checks, the tire pressure check. So the tire had 7.5 bars, so I needed to complete it to 9 bars. After verifying the trailer's tire, I learned that every tire needed more air. I'm going to show you what I am doing when I am not near tire service and my tires need air. So I got from here, from the auxiliary air, I've got a big air cable, and I am putting it on my tire and I'm pumping it up. It started to rain, yay, but at least I could verify at every tire the pressure, so I know right now which one needs air and which one doesn't. But tomorrow we have to come back to this business urgently because it needs to be done before I start my journey, my trucking journey, because you know it's very important to have the tires the right pressure. So my mobile phone says that it is going to rain all day, and I will see you here tomorrow when it doesn't rain. Look at my brand new cable. I am ready. I hope you are too. So see you tomorrow here. I started my morning at my grandmother's to drink a coffee with her.
Szia, borzos! Szia, kincsem! Szia, hát hogy vagy te? Hogy vagy? Szia, hát hogy vagy?
Good morning, everybody. So we are going to start our day at my grandma's. We are going to drink a coffee together with her and together with this very sweet dog. His name is Borzi and he's very passionate. He likes to be cuddled. So let's get inside and greet my grandma. Hello!
Hello! Várlak, sziasztok! Gyertek kávézni! Gyertek, sziasztok!
My grandmother is waiting for me with a latte.
Sziasztok!
Okay, now every tire has 9 bar, and I verified everything. It should be okay. The next main verifying will be at springtime, because at the winter time in the tires the pressure will be bigger, so we have to verify at springtime the pressure. And the general aspect of the tires was okay, but we will need to change the tires on the Scania. So thank you very much that you were here, and I hope that I could show you something interesting. So have a very beautiful Sunday, and bye bye.